4th of July is a day that we celebrate our country. Woohoo! Yeah, and there's fireworks. Come on, we have to go and tell Elsa and Anna, our moms, that we're ready to go. Yay! Yay, let's go. Wait, girls. Anna, your mom's already down there and she got us a spot. And I'm just going to go ahead and get some snacks from the kitchen. And yeah, you girls just play up here and I'll tell you when I'm ready to go. Okay, Mom. Love you. Yay! Oh, I'm so excited. I can hardly wait. Fireworks are beautiful. Yeah, I wouldn't miss it for the world. Are you okay, Anna? Yeah, I think I'm okay. I don't know. You don't sound so good. No, I'm good. Achoo! Achoo! Anna, I think you might be having a cold. I think you might have a cold, Anna. No, I'm okay. No, if I had a cold, then I'd have to miss the fireworks, Elsa. No, I'm okay. It's okay. I'm good. Anna, if you have a cold, then you need to rest so that you can get better. No, I'm not missing the fireworks. Okay. Come on. We gotta go down there so when Elsa's ready, we won't miss the pre-show. Pre-show? I don't know. Come on. Okay, now what all did Anna tell me we needed? Hey, Mom, almost ready? 1 second, Elsa. I'm trying to figure out what all Anna told me to get. She told me specifically, but I just can't remember. I should have been listening better. Anna, you don't look so good. Are you sure you're okay? Yeah, I'm okay. Ah, you knocked me over. Sorry, Elsa. Let me check your temperature. Okay, let's see what it is. Oh my goodness, 100? Anna, I'm going to have to call your mom and tell her that you are sick. You must have a cold or something. No, but then I'll miss the fireworks. That doesn't matter. What matters is your health. Okay, go find somewhere to sit or lay or something. I'm gonna go call Anna. No, everybody can't miss the fireworks because of me. You're sick. Your health is more important. Elsa, I feel terrible. You're going to miss the fireworks just because of me. Oh, Anna, it's okay. If you're not feeling well, then I'm going to stay with you. Aw, you're the best cousin ever. Come on, we can watch the fireworks from the window. Okay. All right, you girls. Anna, your mom's on her way back. So you girls just hang out here. I'm going to keep making some snacks, and maybe we can catch a glimpse of some fireworks from out the window. Okay. Sounds good, Mom. Here, I'll play some piano for you. I'll even make up a song. Hey, Anna, since you're sick, you get to tell me what song you want me to make up and sing. Okay. How about you make up a song about fireworks? Okay. It might not be the best song, though. Here we go. Fireworks, you can see in the sky, oh, they are fireworks. They fly so high, oh, they shine so bright, they're fireworks. Oh, I love to see fireworks. Well, what do you think, Anna? I think it could take some work. Come on, it's almost time for the fireworks. Come on, let's sit here down by the window. We can watch the fireworks. Okay. Look, they're about to start.